Hello and welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Zero Investment Trading app in your device. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Zero Investment Trading app. There you can see Zero Investment Trading. Tap on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Zero Investment Trading app to start trading with zero investment. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.